Then we went to 3PLs and 4PLs and warehousing, first mile, last mile from Rajeshji. Now let us take a fresh breath and jump into something, industry vertical. Let us talk something about the mining industry. So we are going to talk to now one of the senior mining expert. I know Chuzai, brother Chuzai is here. Okay, so he was with the Bisha Mining a while ago. Now he moved. He'll brief, by the way. So Chuzai Akrama. So we are going. He's going to talk about innovation strategy in mining industry in a while. So let me give a quick round of introduction to Mr. Chuzai. So Chuzai Akrama, he's I think you can give a more introduction, Chuzai from your side.
Yes.
Okay, so you. Chuzai Akrama, a mining professional with over 25 years in metal mining, has expertise in mining, mine planning, drill and blast, geotechnics, and project management. Known for prioritizing safety and efficiency, his commitment to practical and efficient mine engineering has driven strong technical outcome across his career. So, very successful mining engineer. Okay, I will be very happy to hear, brother Chuzai. So, welcome to the show, and we are willing to hear from you. Please give us a quick introduction from where you are. You move every year. You go to new country. Okay, so I want to know now from where you are speaking. I don't know really because you were there in Australia last time when I speak to you. You were in Indonesia. You were in Malaysia. Okay, Singapore. So please talk about yourself.
Yep. Okay. Thank you, brother Abdul. It's nice can present here in the Global Supply Chain Excellence Summit. As you explained before, my name is Chuzai Akrama. By the way, Abdul, can you hear me clearly?
I can hear you. I can hear you. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. And also you can see my face as well.
Yeah, we can see you. Yeah.
Okay. That's good. I start my career in mining industry as a mining engineer in year 2000 after graduate from university in Indonesia. I work in Freeport, Indonesia for 6 years. Over there, I work as a geotech engineer and drill and blast section for 6 years. And during the boom of mining commodity, Australia require a lot of mining engineer. So I moved to Australia and work 10 years in Australia. Over there, I work in Glencore, have a chance work in Barrick Gold, and also one of our mines, CMAC Mining in South Australia. Basically, in Australia, I work more in drill and blast and mine planning and mine project. And for there, I gain a lot of technical experience and increase my my technical capability. I work from day-to-day planning, 3-month planning, long-term planning, and also running the pit optimization for the new project to see if the mine is viable and can be proceed to the next step of mining operation. And in 2015, I have a chance to leverage my career overseas to Africa, in Eritrea, and I work in Eritrea for 5 years. Over there, the last one, I work as a chief mine engineer and acting mine manager. And from Eritrea, I work in Guinea, a gold mine, junior gold mine, and over there I work as a technical service manager and acting mine manager. And now I am in ArcelorMittal Liberia, work as a mine manager. During my career, that very much the the mine industry is like sometimes it's run smooth, sometimes not smooth like a plane. Sometimes smooth, the plane flying smooth, but sometimes turbulence. Turbulence due to condition more about the fluctuation of commodity price, global economies, so that affect supply and demand. And many mining company is very high constraint with the cost. So now it's very important for the mining company to expand their capability about innovation strategy, because with the innovation strategy that mining company will get a competitive advantage, and if apply seriously and with a good strategy, it will achieve the competitive advantage in reducing the unit costs and increase the revenue. And also for the mining company itself, it will uh, it will put them uh, as more competitive than the peers. That's very much my introduction, Abdul. So
You can share the
what next?
screen. Yeah.
Okay, I will share the screen. So, wait,
So put the presentation into presentation mode.
yep,
Share it.
yep. Okay, share screen.
I think it will work even if you open the presentation and
Yep, yep.
put it into
Share,
presentation mode.
wait, wait, wait. I will share screen now. Yep. Can now my screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
Yep.
Yeah, we can see the screen. It is in the present normal
Yep.
mode. Okay, now you can just try to make it presentation.
Yep. Yep. Just
I think
it works now. You can
wait.
see it.
Yeah,
Right.
but
Yep.
it is
So
in the continue.
yep. So this is innovation strategy in my industry. In this case, I really want to emphasize on data man, green energy in mining industry, uh, and and the question is aim to create innovation strategies in the 5-year plan. With it will be one of solution for business things and improve operational efficiency and financial. In mining industry, some mining companies apply the traditional business strategy without implement substantial innovation technology and strategy. Any innovation strategy chosen is compulsory to align with vision and incorporate the company key risk factors. And the technology innovation will bring the improvement in revenue and cost saving. As you can see, these pictures are describing on how mining technology evolved from time to time until now. Start with the lab pictures. The two lab pictures are the mining operation in 1940s that earlier excavating and hauling technology developed. The middle pictures with the truck and excavator working in 1970s that mining technology was success to develop hydraulic technology, which one excavator bucket can load 30 ton until 40 ton in one pass. So to feed the truck, you need to have around 4 until 5 time bucket pass. And in early 1990s, that the trucks and excavator were installed with computerized system that can collect some data to measure the productivity component. Nowadays, mining technology have been further developing. In the picture, I show you the trucks uh, with electric power, which has been trial and implemented in a mine in Australia. Also, in the picture, the drone technology for survey and stockpile management and calculate and of man survey tonnage and volume that has been applied in most mine now. This technology, the drone, will create a quicker data processing and data accuracy compared with previous one about more manual with a TBM pickup. Also, as you can see at the right bottom picture, the current technology in underground that some got old stop areas which is not safe to be accessed by people. That the company use robotic rock bolt to fix underground stability. Then it can be accessed by people safely, and many more. The innovation in technology in mining industry have been achieved now. Uh, and now I will go to other slide.
Yeah.
In industry, one of the key for innovation technology is applying a good strategy to be success. In applying it, there are three fundamental of a good strategy. Which strategy implement should be consistent, coherence, and a good alignment. Consistency that the activities made based on cumulative outcome series of the decision, action, and behavior over time with showing a consistent effort and measure. Coherence in a complex organization, many decisions are made should flow smoothly, shape competitive capabilities. Example, in the decision in hiring and promoting people, project funding, the common purchasing and partner selection. With all of these action must be coherent because it will affect the process of innovation technology. And then also with a good alignment, organization will flourish since the strategy are aligned to the realities that the companies operate. Example, the alliance between R&D strategy with company broader business strategy. And now about innovation methodology. The trend is most mining companies innovate to improve overall financial and overall performance. It is the foundation and essential for the success of innovation. There are four strategies levers to be applied: architecture, process, people, and portfolio. Architecture refers to the set of the decision around how R&D itself is structured, both geographically. This category includes decisions such as centralization vs decentralization of R&D, the size, location, and focus of R&D units, especially focused by market or focused by technology. Also, whether the R&D units report to business unit or are autonomous, whether research is organizationally separated from the development or operational, and the degree to which R&D utilize external resource and partnership.
Mhm.
The other level is a process, are the formal and informal ways that R&D is carried out. This category include choice about project management system, the governance project, the sequence and flow, critical project tasks, timing of reviews, indicators used to track levers, which obviously an enormously important aspect of the R&D. Despite the growing use of sophisticated instrumentation, computer simulation, and laboratory automation, R&D is still a labor-intensive process. The choice about human resource, such as the mixed generalists vs specialists, technical background and the training, work style, career path, layoff policy, etc., have a significant impact on the R&D performance and output. Portfolio. Portfolio refers to the desire of resource allocation across different type of R&D projects and the criteria used to sort, priorities, and select project. The R&D portfolio should refer to priorities and the R&D strategy itself. As you can see in the slide as well, at the graph of importance of innovation areas and perceived effectiveness based on Deloitte research in 2016 in mining industry. Basically, most of the mining companies propose to reduce cost to operate in doing the innovation technology innovation. The second one, improve assets productivity. And then the third one, reducing risk, both safety, and then the five, reduce costs to develop assets. That's most five innovation driver in mining.
Yeah.
Okay, now innovation methodology continue with that as I explained before. For element of strategy, architecture, this is really important. The structure must foster collaboration across function within the organization without being obstructed by internal bureaucracy and politics. And then also innovation in the mining industry need to manage top down, not being unstructured effort from the middle management. And then the process should incorporate the element of company culture with formalized process around idea generation, review committee, in-house engineering capability need to check as well, and also project implementation team and feedback loops. Three key state of innovation process that every organization conduct. should be contains discovery, development, and commercialization as part of the design thinking process. People thinks success innovation need people to be creative and innovative behavior, and then also people involved in that will combine their intelligence, individual creativity, and also the organizational intelligence. And then portfolio, the innovation should reflect the priority of innovation strategy, and then also look into trade-off between the impact of innovation benefit versus the money spent. This is really important because we need to make sure, like explained before, the cost effective of the innovation. Okay, now the next page, some of the ideas that innovation strategy design and implementation in mining industry. In the study case, the company innovation strategy to increase gold production and lower operating costs. The current company strategy doesn't apply innovation technology or very limited. Other critical things to set up the vision to achieve a competitive advantage in operational and financial measure with in the study that green energy and data management will generate significant value to the company. The people who leading this innovation should understand and conduct some mapping to de-risk some challenges in innovation. The challenges are such as a company culture, money, commodity price fluctuation with potential to affect the implementation innovation program itself. The technology innovation manager or chief technology officer must do the deep dive analysis on how the impact the innovation program to the etc. Especially while the location of the innovation technology trial is in the mine site. So sometimes there is a conflicting between operation and the program itself. Other crucial things to ensure the innovation strategy applied strictly follow the pillar concept, which is content, architecture, process, people, and portfolio, as I explained before. Be bear in mind, most innovation strategy in mining industry basically to innovate within existing technical competency and current business model. There will not be the innovation technology beyond the existing technical competencies in most company. But now some company try to go beyond the existing technical competencies as well, but very limited because that one is for the company have achieved some milestone in the innovation technology. The strategy must focus to improve the company's operational and financial performance. In some gold mining company with a freight grade of gold or even marginal grade resource, that they are very sensitive of gold price fluctuation. However, technology innovation will eventually bring the company to sustain and to be competitive. Further, nowadays, the learning on big data have been proven to make company operates more productive and cost efficient. Even not for the company as well. They have used the big data to get a better resource found. The other major benefit for the company to apply technology innovation in the mining operation will increase company image, that the company has a competitive advantage and compare with the innovation strategy and plan, the realization. The mining company itself, in this case, gold mining, in doing innovation strategy to the realization state that few things are critical to follow up. As explained earlier, that is pivotal and urgent to include company risk metric, critical environmental and social risks, benefit, and its financial capability analysis. All of this input will be enabler for the company to start innovation. Also, another instrument that company to apply is to mapping process to find the sweet spot. This is important to find the sweet spot that cover all aspects of feasibility, desirability, and viability of the project. Solution of the desirability example, increase productivity, increase efficiency, could be applied easily, improve brand image, improve safety and sustainable. And then for solution feasibility that have the capacity to make it happen, meet the company vision and goal, and leverage current existing technology. And also is the technology innovation to ensure the project is viable, that increase revenue and profit, reduce costs, and increase value itself. Last but not least, the innovation technology project should seeing where's the position of them in the cost vs impact quadrant. As can be seen in the lab diagram, the ideal innovation technology project put its position on low cost, but a high impact. That's quick win. Every company try to get this one because we really need a short-term solution. And for longer term, that the project is a high cost, but provide very positive impact that is categorized as investment. The others will not beneficial to carry on because waste of money and waste of time. Is to support the setup of innovation. The left graph is the type of innovation that categorized into four types: routine innovation, radical innovation, architectural innovation, and disruptive innovation. That they are differentiated by where it's their innovation technology position in terms of leverage existing technical competence or apply new technical competence, compare with existing business model, or require to develop new business model. Most of mining innovation, especially gold mining technology innovation, is in the routine innovation. Leverage existing technical competence and still utilize same existing business model. About the right the right diagram is the illustration on how the design thinking workflow to assist the technology innovation process. It is divided into four stages, with its discover stage, define stage, develop, and deliver. In the discovery stage, we know the problem and put insight into the problem by various efforts such as background research, stakeholder mapping, interview, conceptual inquiry, concept map, experience mapping. In the defined state, that the area to focus on in this state that the problem is better understanding. We know the problem, and then we reframe it, and then the problem to be defined. From there, the process goes into develop potential solution that consists of conceptualize and ideate of potential solution. In the state that some pre-solution effort are required via statement starters, creative metric creations, visualize the team, then that's we go to the deliver that start with a prototype and then do some tests. That's very much the design thinking methodology will assist in the innovation technology in mining industry. In this slide, discuss about focus and exploring the trend in innovation technology with its data management and intelligence. Any mining company which utilize data day-to-day mining operation will be well positioned for future success. The data contain highest value that bridge the relationship between mining technology and the increasing requirement of users and owner in large scale. The application of technology innovation in data management and intelligence, for example, explore to maximize the data learning system integration with the satellite and dispatch command center at the mine operation. The system will provide real-time information for safety, such as the fatigue management, real-time information for mining operation productivity, the utilization data, mining output quality from mine to mill, and maintenance planning, and many more. Further, the data collected is for information of haul trucks, excavator, drill machine, and ancillary equipment, as you can see in the picture. More importantly, the data from all mining equipment will be learning and integrated with satellite and mining dispatch center. Example, real-time data will be analyzed then to request truck operators to operate haul truck to specific mining location to create the highest haul tonnage for the day. The pictures show interaction between physical hierarchy, activity hierarchy, and resource hierarchy that every single equipment manpower resource correlates to create optimum output. Then, in this slide is a further discussion about the data management and intelligence optimize the relationship between satellite, dispatch room, and all equipment in mining location and mining activities. As mentioned before, operators fatigue monitoring, operators behavior in operating equipment. Also, the system assists in equipment breakdown prediction and avoid equipment unplanned maintenance problem. Passing this process, the next step for the company is to enter automation and driverless trucks operation with recently one of the big mining company has started with this project in Australia. In this slide, that's another example of the process on real-time data collection and analysis with satellite assistant. Explain about the picture, the slides that you can see the system using the GPS solution, mobile communication, and equipment and satellite communication. From the satellite communication and data analysis, real time, we can see what's the performance of the equipment. Say in this case, the truck, how the engine speed and brake operate, if there is any machine idle that affect the
Mhm.
utilization, and then the retarder usage, and then also it shows the data how many tons of material have been mined so far per each equipment, and then the fuel consumption, and then also the machine hours that affect the utilization, and that will be in second in real time sent to the data center in the dispatch room for further analysis. And if we want to take the decision or make any changing in the mining operation to optimize the day production, we can do it
Yeah.
with this G
So
and
this is
yeah,
Engineer Chuzai, this is very important slide. It has a very
yeah,
uh, information, very strong, very
yeah,
dense information in this. Okay, so here you are talking
yeah,
about integrating all the equipment, whatever we are using. You are showing in this diagram your excavation equipment, your trucks. You are talking about drones. Uh, you are talking about the towers. Okay,
yeah,
so how is that? Like basically excavation equipment, like excavators and all whatever used, and all trucks. So to know these two for the equipment maintenance, predictive maintenance and all, the performance of the machines, and also the quantity you do the
yes,
excavation. Okay, so for
yeah,
both, for quantity
yeah,
and all, it's a productivity, and for the equipment details, it will be for your maintenance and
yes,
operational
that,
effectiveness. Okay.
yep,
So currently, how is
and
that?
more.
Where are we? Where is the
Pardon?
industry now? Yeah, where is the industry? How deep they are already in the middle of it, or all the mining companies are already doing it, or we are in the middle? Where is the status?
Uh, right, right now, around 60% until 70% of the mining companies have
Mhm.
applied this technology, because this technology is it used to expensive, but now many mining company data and research, they have a competition each other, so they make the company, the mining company, to adopt this technology cheaply now. So basically, nowadays it's not expensive technology anymore, because supply and demand in this technology, more supply,
Mhm.
and the demand is still same. So so
Fantastic.
that's good now. Yes,
Excellent.
and I will continue with
Please.
another slide. Yep. Another slide is the technology innovation project to work on the data and now implementation green technology. There are some reason will be enabler for gold mining company to implement a green technology. One of the reason is companies' sustainability vision and commitment on the impact of climate change and the transition to a low carbon economy. Other, the demand by consumers and stakeholders to reduce gas emission. This will put a mining company to adopt green energy technology for the mining operation, such as install solar panels, battery electric vehicle, the haul trucks. Based on preliminary calculation, this initiative will potential to reduce operating costs by approximately 15% or 18.5%, and increasing revenue by 8%. And in this, just want to make more detail about the four levels of the foundation in the technology innovation. In first with architecture level, the model controls, and then here's in the mining we choose a centralization is an effective way, and then the location in this study case in Kalgoorlie, WA, and it's essential for innovation team to access the relevant information and discuss with the field and communicate with the mine operators. And then this is innovation department direct report to the CEO to ensure the project will have intensive coordination and communication with the mine, and also have the mine to ensure the mine will buy in. About the process strategic levels, some questions come up. How will the innovation process be conducted? So we can do a few things. Incremental innovation will be conducted in-house and led by the CTO, Chief Technology Officer, or Chief Innovation Officer, and also some collaboration with consultant to accelerate the project and increase knowledge sharing. And then another question: how is the innovation process in relation to product creation? This innovation tool applied is design thinking, as I explained before. And there are three stages: discovery, development, and commercialization. Other question is how is the project management system and governance? Through year-by-year project management details that consists of each stage, project details, roadmap, timeline, project costing, and procedure and risk assessment. It will improve the project management system, and governance. The further questions: what metric and indicators are there to track the project? So we need to provide a report about the current standing compared to the initial plan to track the measurement of progress. This is a really important tool to make sure we track and measure the progress from time by time. Another things about people strategic levels. The human resource structure that will be questioned if it is employ full-time permanent employees that consist of various specialists in mining technology, data science, and renewable energy. A diverse team will create synergy of various talents and will better communicate for the project development. The question about the people also, how to build a strong and sharp innovation team. So the explanation here is that we can establish the clear innovation strategy and complete human resource procedure to build a solid team and provide guidance for the team to perform the tasks. The SOP and policy development are related job profile, benefit and remuneration, career and path, etc. Another question about the people: how to attract and retain the best talent, especially while mining locations is in a bit remote area. So the hiring process is critical to employing highly skilled people. And one of the CIO responsibility is to build a good company culture, positive working environment, and focus on the employees' careers and training plans in order to increase employee retention. Also, in many mining industry, to make a good employee retention, they apply fly in, fly out. roster. The last strategic lever is a portfolio, that resource allocation between two strategies. The department will be divided into two groups in this project: the data management team and the green energy team. Each project team will work exclusively and focus on their own KPI, and how will the data innovation project be successful. This innovation project is low cost, but will have a huge impact that will position the project as a quick win. And also, another question: how will the green energy innovation strategy will win? The answer: this innovation project is high cost but high impact. It should be considered as investment. So the big data innovation technology will be quick win, low cost, and then the green green power technology will be the high cost but high impact. As part of the technology innovation project, we need to conduct the risk assessment. As you can see here, the risk assessment, we will describe what is the risk, and then the likelihood and the impact and the risk rating. As you can see, if we have a difficulty to obtain support and commitment from the senior leadership, that's possible and significant, the impact, and risk rating is high. So we need to put some control measure. The CEO and even the chairman of the company fully support that project. And then also another risk is possibility of process failure and strong and wrong strategy. The rating is high, and we need to put control measures like apply design thinking tool, set up skillful team, strictly conduct economic benefit analysis, SOP in place, establish good teamwork environment, and the things. So from this, we have the new risk rating control that now the risk become lower, become medium. As I mentioned before, it is compulsory for any technology innovation project conduct the financial study and evaluation. So the capital we will put on the innovation technology project R&D will be put as the cost, and then we will calculate also the revenue will be generated, and then how it will impact the NPV of the project, and then the internal rate of return and the payback periods. And most mining company basically they have a few phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4 with mine life maybe 30 years or 25 years. And in this case, I try to put for first 9 years that we get the NPV 120 millions and payback periods around 2 years, and internal rate of return 37% with the capital around 97 million with all together with mining costs. So this is very much this project is positive. And then now we need to do the map and timeline. In this case, like we say, but in this project roadmap and timeline will ensure the first 2-year project going ahead, and then the third year, 4-5 years is a continuous improvement, and also uh, the mine have a few other mines under same umbrella of the company. So the success of the project will be applied to other mine as well. So in 5 years, they will have all the mine will apply those technology, and also the year five, the company need to explore the opportunity to move into architectural innovation for data management and green energy innovation. For examples, right now, one of the company has been success using the architectural innovation that they manage the data to get a quick and better result for exploration. That company utilize the data that the resource much deeper that can be found and can be progressed to the feasibility study. This the lesson and this innovation strategy must have solid support, and the team must maintain robust communication with senior management and trial mind. Of course, employing high qualified and experienced staff in big data management and green energy is a must because research needs the best talent to innovate. The company concentrate on on an incremental innovation strategy to explore and improve what already exists within its business model and mining technology capabilities, which is a big data and green energy. And also, excellent strategy come up with consistency, coherence, and alignment. To obtain it, the innovation team is advised to constantly using the side thinking tool, strong collaboration for all the innovation team and users. And then the success in this innovation will give the company a competitive advantage, creating most efficient mine operation and lowest cost. It will make the company survive during economic crisis because with that technology innovation, they can make sure they reduce the cost of operation and then increase the revenue. That's very much my presentation for today. Thank you.
Thank you very much,
Hello. Yeah.
Mr. Chuzai. It's very interesting. So now we have like 8 more minutes, so we can take up some
Yeah.
questions and some briefing. So based on your experience in mining industry, as far as the manufacturing part and the supply chain part, so how does that organizations? There are many mining companies across the globe, mid-size, smaller, larger. So how is the automation part is taking place? Because we are going to talk the ESG, environmental, social governance in next session. So how is this technology part playing a role? How is the companies are investing now? Okay.
I
Yeah.
think, in my opinion, right now, the mining company start to adopt the future technology, which is automation and driverless truck. But it's still the beginning step because there are many constraints to automation technology. The first, the technology is uh, is really high and need to be much further developed. And then also in mining industry, there are a lot of safety constraints. Uh, the mining company to implement the automation trucks, say for example, the dump truck without the driver, uh, will uh, will need to ensure that the truck will not create safety incidents with other equipment that still operate by the people. And then also depend on the country itself. in some country that the manpower cost is high, say like in Australia, Canada, mines, operating cost, the manpower cost is high. So the company try to achieve it. If they can achieve that technology, they can significantly reduce the cost. So this will make so the company in the next position to make sure it can compete and reduce the unit cost. So during the fluctuation of the commodity price, the company still afloat. But in the country like in other regions, that the cost of manpower is lower, so some company don't look into it yet. Also, there is some maybe a political that government still need to employ the company to employ more people to ensure that less or a good employment rate in that country. That's very much my opinion. So basically, yes, some company try, especially big company, try to explore and do the research of that in collaboration with the company that focus on the technology of automation. But for safety itself, like I explained in the in the photos, especially in underground, you can imagine underground mine is around 1.5 kilometers below the earth. So basically, it's very big pressure over there, and then lack of oxygen. So some mining activities will not sustain, will not be safe if operated by human 24 hours. And especially to access the stope location, you know the stope is where the gold ore sitting. That sometimes the ground is not stable. That they try to use automation loader to dig the stope ore without the operation, but by remote control. This has been implemented, but not in open cut yet. Just but in underground, yes. That's my answer. Hello.
Abdul, you're on mute.
So thank you, Deep. So thank you, Chuzai, Engineer Chuzai, for having giving a wonderful lecture with
You're welcome.
insightful information on mining industry, how it works, how the automation takes place, what are the strategies in mining, okay, what are the trends, so how to plan and execute your mining operations. So thank you very much. It's very insightful.
Yep.
And if any questions our participant arise, so we'll write it to you, so you can directly
Yep.
answer it.
Yep.
Okay, so we keep
Yes.
so please feel free to write questions to us, so we connect Mr. Chuzai to answer them. So thank you for the wonderful lecture, Chuzai, and have a great time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Take care.
You.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Yeah. So